Mr. Bronken, same question for you, sir. How have you guys pivoted over at Safety NetAccess?
Sure. So a lot like Beth mentioned, actually, over the last year and a half, it has been a journey, even though we haven't gone anywhere. Right. We of course have had a small reduction in staff at the very beginning, like many of the companies that were out there. And then afterwards, once everything stabilized, we actually focused and doubled down on our operations, ironing out, investing in that, making sure that things were working absolutely perfectly. Because when there is less activity, you have that time to ensure that everything is working right, so that when you're building it back up, everything goes even better. Right. And so we're reaping the fruits of that labor right now. Additionally, we've actually gotten into several other markets in the last while. Our executive team, we have every couple of weeks, we have an idea night, and we throw different ideas out about, how can we be better company? How can we improve? How can we reach more clients? How can we provide more services, et cetera? So really, we've expanded that. So specifically within hospitality, we've expanded and kind of formalized more in terms of our voice products, our television products, as well as our audio products and CCTV products to clients, so that as there's left staff, they only have one number to call and they need something fixed. They can just pick up the phone and call one number and get our team that they can do that for. It's not searching around, calling 6 or 7 people, having those companies point at each other until they finally figure out what the issue is. So that was within hospitality. Outside of that, we've grown our MDU space as well. We've really focused on that over the last year, and then as well our senior living. We work with some great partners in the senior living space and have had a lot of great momentum there. Additional to that, we actually opened up our very first event productions company in the last year and a half, which is S&A Event Productions, run by Martin Quitshaw, one of the industry titans in that field. So we've really spent the last year and a half kind of doubling down on our company and kind of expanding it and being better at what we can do. But in addition to that, really going after and diversifying those markets. If something like this happens again to the hospitality industry, we want to be prepared so that it's not such a big hit for us, as well as all the other LSPs that are out there, right? We want to be even more stable than we are today. So it's been as I mentioned, a journey, but we're getting there. Everything's going well. So.